Mwiri wa mutigairi Daniel Toroitich arap Moi ukinyirio kiharo-ini kia Nyayo thaa 4 ihitukitie dakika 15 rucini umagaritio ni andu a bamiri yake kuria thiururukirio kiharo giki kiria gikuihoire Makiri ma akenya igongona-ini ria mahoya na kuririkana mawiko make. Na marikia kuingira thiini wa hemeno nyimbo cia kwaya itiganite nicio cikuhoreragia ngoro ciao na no matongoririe mathomo utanahunjio.
So he died in a good old age, full of days and riches and honor, and Solomon his son reigned in his place.
But I do not want you to be ignorant, brethren, concerning those who have fallen asleep, lest you sorrow as others who have no hope.
And the dead in Christ will rise first. Then who are alive and remain shall be caught up together with them in the clouds to meet the Lord in the air.
Family ya Moi ikiraha mawiko make hari kugacirithia urumwe wao na wendo uria maugite amaririre naguo.
He taught us to always try to do the right thing. Other than watching Billy Graham on TV, Mzee loved watching wrestling and was one of Big Daddy's ardent fans.
He was named Toroitich, which means welcome home. We welcome home the cattle. His father died when he was 4 years old, leaving his elder brother Tuitoik to play the guardian role.
Moi oho ni aganitwo ta mutongoria wari mwikeneri na ndendete maheni ona kuma kuri ciana ciake na oho ni endete irio cia unduire muno nyama ya njino.
There was one love or trait my father had, and that was his love for nyama. Alikuwa hii mzee alikuwa anapendanga nyama. And I'll remember, nakumbuka nilikuwa nanimueleza kwamba daktari, tafadhali mzee, daktari amekataa. Akaniuliza, unaona daktari hapa?
Silas Yego uria ni muthikafu wa kanitha wa AIC na murata wa Moi wa hakuhi augite Moi ndangiratigithukanirio na urumwe wa bururi na agironire kanya ga kwaria arahoyaga uthayo wa akenya.
He knew very well about death and he was prepared. He used to testify to mourners all over the country that we are pilgrims. He had a friend called Barngetuny. Barngetuny used to tell Muse, mina okopa kifo. And Moi told him, Barngetuny, do you know Jesus?
Mwiri wa Moi ugatwarwo mwena wa Kabara kuria gathikwo o ta uria we mwene endete.
Wakishachukua nafasi zao kwenye
kanitha ikirikiriria mihango yayo nayo family ikioerera ikinya riu ringi ria guthika mutigairi uria wari president wa keri wa bururi. Family ni cokeirie akenya ngatho ni undu wa kumanyitirira na njira ya mwanya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV yetagwo muitiriri wa Makiri.